Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the new Harry Potter inspired releases that I have for the upcoming sale. So on Friday the 24th through the 26th, there is a sale that is all Harry Potter inspired artwork type stuff. Well, technically everything in the shop will be on sale, but one of the criteria to get into this quarterly sale is that you have to have Harry Potter items for sale. So because I have a pretty large Harry Potter section, and then I've also put out this new stuff, I have an exclusive kit that we just came out with, which is restricted section. I qualified to be in the sale, so I decided to give it a try and see how it works out. So I have got a few kits here, reformats, a sticker pack, some house stuff. I've got a whole bunch of things here to share with you, and then I'll do a plan with me using this one after this is done. It'll be a separate video. You won't have to sit through that. I'll try to leave everything linked down below, like the group, the Facebook group, and all of the dates and all of that stuff. Today is Monday the 20th, so we've got until, like I said, it starts on the 24th. So if you go over and join the Facebook group that is putting this on, and it's a pretty big group, if you go join that Facebook group, you will see like all of the stuff leading up to it, which is like giveaways and lives and tutorials. And there's all kinds of stuff that goes on all week long. Every single day, there's a Meet the Maker Monday, there's a Tutorial Tuesday, I can't remember what that was. There's a lot. I wrote them all down in my planner so that I would know what I'm supposed to be doing each day. But they have a very fun quarterly sale. And like I said, all of the planner shops that are in the sale all have Harry Potter stuff. So if you're looking for more Harry Potter, you're looking for something new, something different, this is the place to go. So anyway, let's get on with showing you all of the new stuff. So this one is probably as, how do I put it? Magical, light Harry Potter inspired as we can get. But this one is called Magical Cleaning, and it is so pretty, but it has just a touch of magic to it. So if you look here in the full scene, oh my gosh, I cannot talk today, guys. I swear I can't even tell you how many times I've restarted this video because I am so tongue-tied. But I'm not restarting it again. We are going to push through this no matter how tongue-tied I get. This full scene box here with the dishes that are doing themselves, it's very pretty. You've got a lot of like the herbs, and then on the sides here, you've got all of the little magical, so magical by meaning this says enchanted, wait, what does it say? Yep, enchanting dish soap. Then you got sparkle spritz, laundry powder, which says enchanted laundry powder, and fizzy bombs. So there's a lot of little subtle magical details in here, but the overall vibe is spring clean, and it's gorgeous with these beautiful marigolds and the colors. It's just absolutely gorgeous, perfect for spring. So if you want just a touch of magic in your little cleaning thing, that's what this one's called, Magical Cleaning. This is the perfect kit for you. So we have all of our full boxes. We've got our washi date covers and another full box. And then this one with all of the, sorry, oh my goodness, my voice just cracked. That is because I have said this about 100 times. So we're just going to keep on pushing on. But here are your date dots and some more boxes. This is all your functionals and your to-dos, today's, and all that good stuff. This is the other fun page with your paint swatches and your doodle boxes. And then you've got all of your dividers and some solid boxes, deco, labels, and then your check boxes, and then the big ones. So this is the full 8-page deluxe kit. So this one will be available. Then in the same artwork, I made sure to put together a hobo cousin. I'm just going to lay them down so you can see them because these are just 2-page kits. So this is the cousin kit. So if you've got a Hobonichi cousin and you want to use this artwork, this is available for you. So there's that one. Then we've got the monthly. So if this artwork really speaks to you and you love it and you want to use it in your Hobonichi for your monthly, there that is. Gorgeous. And then we have this one, which this is for more for journaling, but also if you have a Hobonichi cousin, the daily section, these work fantastic for the daily section. Put one of these washies down at the bottom, a couple of the little decos in there, and then right around them, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So this one is perfect for journaling or your daily in your Hobonichi cousin, which is why I have it in the little cousin section, because I think that's like an awesome place to use it. Anyway, so there is Magical Clean. Now we're going to move on to, I'll show you the tea with Hagrid. So this is not new, but it's newly reformatted. So this is in our 8-page deluxe. And here are your full boxes. I did make some changes to it. Here is the night scene and your washi, your date covers. The old version is no longer available. As each one of the new versions, the reformats come out, the old versions go away. So you won't find this particular one in any other style except this 8-page deluxe now. And it is just beautiful. Yep. It felt like I had more than one page there. This one and then this one. So pretty. This was one of my favorites. I don't know why it took me so long to reformat it. Anyway, so there's this one, perfect for springtime, also maybe early summer. Little bit, there's pumpkins in here, so I guess you could go all the way into late summer, early fall with this, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So there's Tea with Hagrid. Now I'm going to get into this. So I wanted to start, I was really having fun making these sticker kits, like these sticker packs from with the melt boxes, and so I thought I would try one out with this because I didn't want to make a full kit out of this artwork. To be honest, it's really difficult. Like I just loved it as stickers. How's that? I thought these would be really cute in your, so if you're like decorating dashboards or you want to use them, I'm just going to lay them here so you can see them all, or if you want to use them for like I said, your dailies or your journals, dashboards, whatever. Look at how cute these are. These are all watercolor stickers. They're double cut, so easy to get off. The backing, I'm just going to lay them all down here. So this is a full pack, and I'll have this up. These should be up in the shop by the time this video comes up. I am videoing this beforehand, but I'm running out of room. Can you see them? Yeah, you can still see them. Look at this. So this sticker pack is the only one I'm going to have up in the shop for right now, so it won't be hard to find. I'll have it in the new releases section, but how stinking adorable is this? This one, and then there's this with the background with the flying Ford Angula. Angula, is that how you say that? I don't know how to say that. And then this is the backer card. So this is the sticker pack. This will be up. So like I said, this one, look at Dobby. How stinking adorable is Dobby? This one will be up in the shop during the sale, and you can find it there. And then if people like them, I'll keep doing them. I just thought this would be fun for, like I said, journaling or dashboards or whatever, your covers, your planner covers. Sorry, I'm fading out on you. Just don't want to drop any. There they are. So that is that sticker pack. Super cute. Now we're going to get into this one. So these are a little bit more. So these are 6-page kits. They're all the houses, and they are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The colors are stunning. The artwork is beautiful. But these are like more, remind me more of like my photo kits, I guess. So that's why I put it on the photo kit style of 6-page kit. So you'll see when we go through them. So I'm going to start with Ravenclaw and make sure that I'm not messing up. So we'll start with Ravenclaw, but look at how beautiful that is. It is absolutely gorgeous. It just reminds me more of like a photo kit than my usual cutesy little like kawaii cute characters type kits. So that's why I put it in this particular, this particular style of a kit. So my photo kits have a different 6-page layout than my fun, but then this one's also 6-page, and you'll see the difference. So I just think it's so pretty. So this one's Ravenclaw. So if you're looking for a more grown-up kit, I guess these would be perfect because these are just stunning. The artwork is stunning. All of the little details are beautiful. So there's Ravenclaw, and that's how the layout is for the 6-page kit for this one. So I think I've explained it before, and I feel like I'm just falling all over my words. So I'll keep talking while I go through the next one, which is Hufflepuff. But I have 2 different 6-page kits. One is for photo, like the photo kits, and then stuff like this. I think the last one I did in this one was the Dark Academia and the Beautiful Books. But this is Hufflepuff. Just look at that. Oh, man, that's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And so since this is more like photorealistic type stuff, I thought this was a better layout for this type of kit because you're not really going to have much in the way of deco with a kit like this. So there's no real reason to do the other one, the other layout. Beautiful. And then your last page. So there's Hufflepuff. Slytherin. I think out of all of them, I am a Ravenclaw, so I started with Ravenclaw. But look at how beautiful and dark and kind of spooky, but still beautiful Slytherin is. It's just absolutely gorgeous. That cat. Oh, I just love this. Love it so much. And then look at this page. Look at Hogwarts, just beautiful. And then this one, look at that. Oh, just love it. It's so pretty. So no matter what your house is, I've got it for you. And last but not least, Gryffindor. So these are the Gryffindor pages. Did I just, nope. I don't know why this paper feels thicker than normal to me right now. And this one, and then the last one. So I tried to keep them as similar as I possibly could, other than the colors and obviously the artwork, but as far as like the main stuff, like the washies and the like this kind of stuff, I tried to keep it as close to possible so that no matter what house you are, you'll have similar kits, but it may be slight differences. So now for this one, now we'll get into the freebies and then we're done. Like that's as far as I didn't go crazy and keep making, although there might be one more that I add because I'm kind of working on it, but if I finish it, I will. But like I said, I'm right in the middle of finishing up a sale with the other group that I just finished it with. And so, yeah, I don't know if I'll have time to finish that because I've got a lot of orders to process and I may not get it done before the 24th. But if I do, I'll post it on social media. No worries. Look how cute these are. So my idea with this right here was that every order, $10 or more, will get some little random stickers thrown in. And these are the ones that I chose. So these are all of the little random stickers where you'll get like one or two, depending on the size of it, in for like if you spend over $10. This is the everybody freebie, which is in the color scheme of this whole kit right here. Everything kind of matches for this, for the freebies and this kit here, which is, I think, just the cutest thing ever. So that is the $10, that's the everybody. This is the $10 where I will throw stickers in. This is the $20, which is the houses in this. They're so stinking cute. But this is the $20 or more. So you spend $20 or more. This is after discount. Just remember, after discount. $20 or more after discount, you get that. And then here is the 6-page kit. So here are all of the full boxes. How stinking cute is this? Look at them. Look at them. This is just so stinking adorable. I love this. Here's your page 2. Now this is what I mean by this is a kit format that's more fun and more geared towards stuff like this. This is the same format that I do all the monster kits in. So here is your page 2. Page 3 with the weekend banner. Little bit of deco. Page 4 with more deco and lots of stuff. Oh my goodness. My phone is talking to me, just ignore that. Then we have our last 2 pages, which this is more functional and more functional stuff. I don't know what my phone just said, but I guess I'll figure it out after. So that is everything that I have here available for the Harry Potter and the Order of the Planners sale. It's a mouthful and I keep messing it up, which is why I kept restarting the video, but finally I just said, you know what, tongue-tied or not, this is what you get. This is me. And there's all these cool stickers, which are super, super cute. And then, yeah, so anyway, I'll leave everything linked down below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking this out. I hope you guys like all of the new stuff that I came out with. I'm really trying to stock up. I'm making such a mess over here. Really trying to stock up the magical kits section because, you know, can never have enough Harry Potter kits. Anyway, hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.